Hi everyone, Lewis here, and today I'm going to be bringing you guys a short tutorial video on how you can gain access to the beta servers in the DayZ mod on ARMA 2. You might see quite a few servers these days having a red number in the bottom right beside required build or something along those lines, which basically just means that you do not have the required beta patch to join that server, which is a bit annoying since a lot of servers do actually use the beta patches. And by default, the Steam version and the retail version do not install these patches for you. Like I said, they are beta patches, but of course they do have, some performance improvements, some features which you wouldn't find without the beta patch. And like I said, since a lot of servers do use it, it's just really useful to download so then you can get access to more servers. And this is completely backwards compatible, so there's no problems with going back to the normal version if you do want to play with a friend who is on a different server or something along those lines. So you'll need two different downloads, the first of which is the actual beta patch. There'll be a link to both of the things you need in the description below. And you just need to go here, and right at the top you'll see this. Just click on that and it will start downloading. You'll also see a change log. If you want to see all of the different changes in these patches, you can click on that and see what exactly they do. And if you do start noticing basically in the bottom right there's red numbers again after doing this tutorial, there's probably a newer patch that's came out, because this does get updated every few days or so. There's quite a few beta patches, so just go through this video again and follow the steps again, and hopefully that should solve that issue once you've installed the newer patch than you did have before. And the second thing you will need, like I said, is the DayZbeta.zip, which is a command prompt file which basically just makes sure that DayZ opens up with combined operations, because by default combined operations just opens up on its own, so this just makes that very easy, so you don't need to do anything yourself. Basically, just for lazy people, it's very useful. So once you downloaded both of those, just go to where you downloaded them to, which in my case is my downloads folder, and the first thing you want to install is this right here, which is the actual beta patch. You can open up these with WinRAR, WinZip, 7-zip, just any extracting program. Just open it up and you'll see a .exe file. You just want to double click on that and click yes, and then you'll have a prompt asking you basically, well, just telling you that once you've done this, there's no way to uninstall a patch. So to the people I've shown this kind of tutorial steps, it's worked 100%. I'm pretty sure there's no way you can mess this up. If the original game is working and you follow these steps exactly, there's no way it'll mess up. But it is just in case you somehow do manage to mess it up magically. So just click on yes there, because you do realize the risks and consequences. And you should see this in the background. Just click on OK once it's 100%. And the second thing you want to do is simply drag and drop this file right here, which, like I said, is a command prompt file. You just need to put that in your root Operation Arrowhead folder. If you're using a retail version, I can't quite show where you have it because you might have changed the path, although that is the same for Steam, but most people do have their Steam in the same location as one another. So just find your root combined operations folder. If you're using the default Steam directory, then that is what I'm going to be showing you guys on this tutorial, so it's really useful if you are using the Steam version. And yeah, it'll be the full path in the description below, so just check the description and make sure you are there, and then just drag and drop this file over here and you should see it right there. I'd highly recommend right clicking on it and clicking on edit, then scrolling down and deleting this small part here, which is dash window. That just makes it so the game opens up windowed, which is really annoying, at least for me. If you like to play the game in window, then sure, you can leave that in, but if you don't remove it, then every time you open up the game, it's then going to start windowed, which is really annoying in my opinion. And once you've done that, just click File, Save, and then it'll stop opening it up in windowed. This does now, of course, mean that if you are a Steam user or even a retail user, you will have to use this file to open up in the future. Just double click on it and it'll open it up DayZ with a beta patch. I'd highly recommend just right clicking on create shortcut and putting it on your desktop or something like that, just so then it's a lot easier to open up. You can use the normal Steam opening or a normal retail opening, but then of course it won't be using a beta patch. And if you do want to use a beta patch without DayZ, you can just double click on this if you do want to do that, although I don't know why you'd want to do that. So that's pretty much it. Just make sure you open it up using this right here. Just make a shortcut, put it on your desktop or something. It's really easy peasy. And that's pretty much it. So if anyone's had any problems, just leave a comment below or PM me and I'll try to help you. Obviously, I'm not perfect. I don't know everything, but I'll try. That's pretty much all I can guarantee. So anyway, thanks a lot for watching. If you find the video useful or informative, then please don't forget, as usual, to like, comment, subscribe, and all that good stuff. And yeah, I'll see you guys later.